Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today I'll show you how to make a quilted ornament that doesn't require any sewing. I'm using a 3-inch styrofoam and less than a half a yard of 100% cotton fabric in 3 colors. You can use bandanas or pre-cut jelly roll strips. We're going to cut the fabric in 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch squares. You can use scissors or a rotary cutter. For the white or center part, you'll need 8 squares. The green will be 16 squares, and the red is also 16 squares. I'm using 175 3/4 of an inch applique pins. I normally do white in the center, but I'll use yellow to make it easier to see. Turn the fabric to the back side. Fold the square in half like this, then in half again. Take note where the center is. Place a pin in the center, then place it anywhere on the styrofoam. Also note the back side of the fabric is still facing us. Fold the fabric down, then fold the right side down into a triangle shape along the middle line. And fold the left side down along the middle line. Place one pin in the middle right fold. Then place another pin in the middle left fold. Now place a pin in the right corner of the triangle and another pin in the left corner of the triangle. That's it. That's how we're going to do every other fold in this ornament. Turn the ornament around. Follow the same procedure again of folding the fabric. And in half again. Place the pin in the middle. Place the pin into the styrofoam, lining it up at the top point of the other triangle. Fold the fabric in half downwards. Fold the right side down along the middle line. Fold the left side down along the middle line. Pin the 2 middle sections. Then pin the 2 corner sections. Rotate the styrofoam this way. Follow the same procedure as before, placing the pin at the top of both of the other 2 triangles. Fold the fabric downwards, then pin all 4 pieces in place. And now we'll do the last space. Here's the last yellow triangle in place. Take note of one of the triangles. Measure a half of an inch down from the center. Place the green fabric with the pin at that point. Fold as before, then pin everything in place. As you can see, I'm trying to line everything up with the lines that are already there. Now we'll work on the next triangle. I'm measuring a half of an inch down from the center again, and that's where I'm going to place my pin. Fold as before and place the pins. Next, I'll work on the 2 remaining triangles. You can see the 4 of them completed here. Now I'll work on the diagonal lines. I take my ruler, and this time I'm placing my pin a half of an inch down in between the yellow triangles. This is on the diagonal line. And I go through the folding process again. I'll work on the next diagonal. Half an inch down, place the pin, fold, then pin everything in place. Then I'll work on the remaining 2 diagonal lines. You can see how the 4 new green triangles have been completed, and I try to line everything up with the existing lines. I'm going to work with the inside triangles first. Working a half inch down from the tip of the green triangle, I place my pin with the red fabric onto the styrofoam. And there's the first red one. Then I do 3 more evenly spaced around. And finally, do 4 more, this time placing them half an inch down from the remaining green triangles. Here you can see the first side has been completed. Now it's time to work on the other side. You can place a soft measuring tape around the ornament and divide the measurement in half to find the center point of the other side. Or you can scratch a pencil on a piece of paper, hold the ornament straight up so the top is facing upwards, and rub the bottom along the pencil mark. Finally, after both halves are completed, you can pin or glue a ribbon around the seam so you don't see the ends and pins as much. You can also glue on a string or ribbon on top for hanging on a tree. And that's how I make a no-sew quilted ornament. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.